What to do in 2022? It is very complicated, but I will try to explain it to you. Check the price turning Shiller index. With free money it was possible to have these insanely big valuations, but now we have inflation and everything will be different. What do we know now? 100% pure information. Fed immediately started to target inflation. It is a huge difference between target 2% inflation and 2% average. I hope everyone understands that 200 million workers of the United States are more important than 8 million unemployed guys. We already know how Fed will act. First of all, they can stop printing money, or with complicated words, they can trim bond purse. They can do it very fast, and I think the end date will be in Q2 2022. It is just 6 months. And the second thing, it is to increase interest rate. I hope 1% will be enough, and I already filmed about interest rate, you can see it here. What we will get after all of this? If you will check the history, United States dollar as an asset will increase in value. And it is very important to understand that technically you're buying everything with United States dollars, like oil per USD. And if United States dollar increase in value, the whole pair decrease in value. Now all you need to do is just to find something that is not very strong and it is already decreasing in value. I think Euro USD can be a really interesting pair to watch. European Union has insane amount of problems and I don't know how they can deal with all of them. Plus stupid African people without money coming to Europe and want something. Looks like euro will lose in value. The first target right now it is 1.05 euro per dollar, and with 10x leverage it is plus 70% from prices right now. What do you think about this idea, or maybe you have something else to offer? Please write down your thoughts in the comment section below.